this is a multi-use facility. So in this case, you may not want each tenant to be able to access other tenant spaces and change their schedules or adjust, say, the chiller temperatures or boiler temperatures. So in order to change that and to limit their access, you can go back to DB Builder and you can pick the floor that you want a certain tenant to have access to. So from this example, I'm going to use Zens. So there's a special marker tag for every one of them that are on the first floor, but we're going to use Zens for an example. So now that you added it to the ground floor, then you have to pick the VAVs. So you can hold the control key, select the VAVs that are part of that zone, which in this example is 4 of them, and then that air handler. And then you can click on the editing tool down here. So you click on that, you can edit selected items, and then you add a special marker tag called Zens. This one already has it. Then you're going to want to limit the schedule so they can't change the schedule of someone else's. So then you can go to Folio, you can just type schedule. You can pick that specific one, do the pencil edit, and you're going to add a marker tag called Zens also there. Once you've done that, then you can go to the user, and then underneath the user, you can limit the project access. You can limit the application access, so you can just have the end user apps enabled if you want. And then you're going to, just for the floor access filter, you're just going to put that tag. So Zens, equip access Zens, graphic access, schedule access. And then this is what happens when you log in. So you can see that they can't go to the different floors. They can only go to ground floor. You could try to click on chiller pumps. It's just going to say the graphic can't be found. So then it takes them right to their zone. So then they can't click on the other hyperlinks either. It'll just be for Zens. Then they can see their zone, and then they have access to those VAVs. And that way it limits them so they're not changing schedules or temperatures in some other zone on accident or anything like that.